In today's video, I'm going to share with you the easiest way to make money online and from home without a doubt. I guarantee you will not have seen an easier way to make money online than this. And if you have, please comment down below because I'd be very interested to know about it, and then I could also cover it on the blog. But as always, I'm going to be sharing with you my results using this method. I'll share with you other people's results because it's not just myself making money with this, there's hundreds of us, and I've been trialing and testing this since June of last year. So look, if you're sat at home because of this, the situation that we've got going on at this moment in time, and you're thinking of, wanting to make money online, but you don't really know where to start or how to start, well, if you watch this video till the end, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how this method works, you'll know how to set this up, and realistically, within the next 24 hours, you could have this up and running and making yourself some money. So let's jump into it and I'll show you exactly how this method works step by step. But before all of that, if you like simple ways to make money online and work from home, then subscribe to the channel and hit notifications, and then you'll always know when I've uploaded a new video. And if you want some free resources to make money online and from home, go in the description box down below and you will see you can get my free affiliate marketing course, you can get my free YouTube course, and many more. Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School, and welcome to today's video. Sorry, I'm just trying to get comfortable. Welcome to today's video. So this is without a doubt the easiest way to make money online. And look, I'm not going to give you any hype or fluff, but first of all, let me just grab my phone and I'll share with you how much I've earned with this method so far today. So let me just get this, and hopefully you can see that. Can you see this here? Hopefully you can see that. Am I going the wrong way? There we go. So far today, I've managed to earn $106.95. And what have I done to earn that amount of money? Nothing. And it sounds like ridiculous, it sounds like a ridiculous statement, doesn't it? I've done nothing, yet I've earned over $106. And this hasn't come from my YouTube channel or affiliate marketing or anything like that. This has come from a piece of software which I went ahead and purchased, and I set all of this up, and it started to basically run on autopilot, and it brings me in essentially a passive income. Now look, this doesn't just work for myself, this works for hundreds of people, and people who I've shared this software with, they're also starting to share their own results. So let me just quickly jump over into this Facebook group here. Now let me just scroll down so you can see here, this was yesterday. Started with the software with a small test account on the 7th of December. Today, 1 month later, it's up 34%, and then it's just thanking me for introducing him to this software. But then scroll a bit further down, I've just gone past it. This one here, Olivia. This lady here, she sent me a Facebook message after reading my blog article about this, and look, in just 5 weeks, half of my deposit made back in just 5 weeks. Thank you for introducing me to this. And look, I'm trying to share this with everybody because on this YouTube channel and over here on my blog, I share different ways to make money online, and I document, growth, whether it's over on my YouTube channel here, if it's with affiliate marketing, and lots more, different ways of making money. Now, this piece of software here, I started with this back in June. I think it was June. Let me share with you. Yeah, the 16th of June 2020. So basically, this whole concept and this software is based around forex trading. And if you don't know anything about forex, it doesn't matter. Neither did I, and neither do a lot of people who I share this, this piece of software. And a lot of people doing a bit of research on Google, they land on my article here, they read the article, and then they go ahead and purchase this. And again, they don't have the knowledge about this. So look, I'll drop a link to this blog article below for you. Go ahead and have a look at this because I tracked it, I tested it. This first article here was done, I think it was done in like September, but basically I got the owner of the software. I did like a mini interview with him on here, so that you can see everywhere here where it's in bold. These were the questions that I was asking him, and then his answers here. And then ultimately what happened was I met this guy over in a Facebook group, we got chatting, he told me about his software, it sounded far too good to be true, I mean, let's be honest. And then I purchased this and I thought, you know what, I'm going to trial it, I'm going to test it, and I'm going to share the results over on my blog. And this is exactly what I did. So you can see on here, I made a $1,000 deposit on the 16th of June, and then I just shared screenshots of the earnings every single day. And again, I was doing nothing for this. So I set it all up. So when you purchase the software, you get a PDF, a private Facebook group, and a couple of videos and other bits walking you through setting this up. And then once you've got this set up, it just runs on complete autopilot for you. So this was day one, $11 off a $1,000 deposit. Pretty good. Come further down, day two, $8, day three, 24, day four, 45, 66, 35, 18. So basically, after 7 days using the software here, you can see I earned $211.05 doing nothing. Then come down here, look, here are the profits for the next 7 days. This was the 26th of June to the 3rd of July, $126. And then there's some more screenshots on here, but ultimately what happened was, if I just show you this, it's here, look. So basically, at the end of 4 full weeks, so after a month from the 17th of June to the 17th of July, I earned $579 doing nothing. And if we break this down into a daily profit, it averaged out at $28.95. So pretty good, really. And then then I did a follow-up article to this as well, so you can go ahead and check out the follow-up article. Let me just see if I can find the link for you. Yeah, if you see here, update, I've now done a follow-up article. So if you click on here, it will take you up to the next, I think it's the next 3 months that I covered in this one here. And again, you can go through and have a read of this. So if we just go back here, and I'll show you how all of this works. But very quickly, look, let me just jump into the Facebook group so you can see, I'm just one person. Anyone could be faking this for all you know. So if I come down here, you can see this is in the Facebook group. This is Chris Campbell. Look, end of the day, just shy of 4,000. So he earned $4,000 using this piece of software. If I scroll down here, Ryan Hill, Ryan and his wife Sam, they purchased this software after we'd spoken. Look, they've earned $300 in a single day using this software. Come further down the page here, this person here, Ontarian, he's had a 4-figure week. Look, daily profits $300, and then weekly, what's that? $1,500 for the week. Somebody here finished the day $745. Come down, and look, I'm not going to spend all the next 10 or 15 minutes going through this. You'll just find hundreds of people sharing their results over in the Facebook group because the software works. It really does. Now look, all of this software here it's in the Forex market, so this isn't 100% risk-free. Anything to do with trading Forex markets or anything like that, it comes with an element of risk. So please don't think you set this up or you trial this and you start making some money, then you think, bloody hell, I'm going to get a loan or use a credit card or anything like that. Don't do that. Just only invest what you can afford to lose. And I say that very loosely because although there's not many people sharing, losing days in here, since using this software, I've had a couple of losing days, and that was covered here in the update. So within the updated article, I had a day where I lost $100 for the day. Overall for the week, yeah, look, so you can see here, I lost $127 in one day. And I can see here, I also shared this in the Facebook group, but basically I ended up down on the day, but on the week, I ended up being up overall. So ups and downs, but overall, it's a great piece of software. The follow-up article, again, you can go ahead and check this out. But look, if you're looking for a simple and an easy way to make money online and from home, I genuinely don't think you'll find an easier method than this. Now, there's another thing to mention with this software. Once you purchase the software, you can do something called account management. And basically, what that means is instead of you having to set all of this up yourself, they will go ahead and set this up for you. The account management costs $200 a month, but you don't have to start with that. When I first started with this and I shared all of these results over on this page here, I did not have account management. I was running this myself for the first I think it was 4 or 6 weeks maybe. But then what happened is once my balance started increasing and growing, basically I didn't want to mess it up. So then I started paying Ty, the owner, $200 a month for him to manage my account for me. But as you can see over here, there's lots of people within this Facebook group sharing their earnings. The other question I get asked is, what is the minimal amount of money you can start with this? Well, the recommended minimum is $500. So in the UK, it's about £400. So that's today's video. If you want to go ahead and check out these articles here, then I'll drop links to these below for you. I've covered off everything in here for you, and make sure you do obviously check out the updated article as well, so you can see exactly what was happening after the first 6 weeks. So look, that's today's video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please give the video a like. If you've got any comments or questions, let me know down below. But thanks for watching, have a great day, and I shall see you tomorrow.